Right now, what I want to do briefly is, if you look at this button that is here on the footer, the button has a border and I don't really want the border. So what I can do is I can just decide to totally remove the footer, because right now, as you see, this is how the page looks, and this footer's transparent line here, it doesn't make this Aeon card look very good. So what we can do, instead of just using the footer, we can just pass in this button directly into the Aeon content. So we can just remove this footer totally. But if you don't want to remove the footer, but you want to remove the border around the button, you can go ahead, go on the button, add two properties. The first is going to be the clear property. What this clear property will do is it's going to remove the border, remove the background color, and also the color that we've set on the button. But since we want to retain the white color, we are going to use this color attribute and set it to light white. Now, instead of doing this inside the home.css file here, I'll just do it on the button itself. So I'll remove this from the button inside the Aeon footer. Then on the button, I'll add the clear property or the attributes, and also add the color attributes and set it equal to light white. So you can do this if you still want to use the footer and you like it the way it is, whereby we can see that there is a transparent line here that cuts this Aeon card. So I'll go ahead, I'll save this. Once it restarts, we'll not be able to see this border right here. The border will disappear. So now the border on the footer is gone. But as I said, if you don't want to use the footer, you can just place this button right after this Aeon card. So if I go into the home.html, I'll copy this. Then inside the Aeon content, after the Aeon slides, can paste in the button. Then let me comment this Aeon footer. So I'll comment this part out, save, then we'll see how it looks right here. So this is how it looks without the footer. That is when you place the button inside the Aeon content. Right now, you can see that there is no line cutting this particular Aeon card. So whichever one you want to do, it's either if you want to use the Aeon footer, you can use the Aeon footer. If you don't want to use the Aeon footer and you want to just place the button inside the Aeon content after the Aeon slides, you can do that as well. So for me, I think I'll leave the button inside the Aeon content. So if I scroll down, it looks much more better.